Hello, fifth graders. This is Chapter 2, Lesson 1. We're thinking about prime factorization today as a strategy used to multiply to whole numbers. So you can write every composite number as a product. Remember, product is the answer to multiplication of prime numbers, and this is called the prime factorization of a number. So a factor tree, that's this right here. See how it looks like a tree a little bit? Is a diagram that shows the prime factorization of a composite number. So a prime number, if you remember, is any number that's divisible only by one in itself. Composite number, all the others. So let's think about the prime factorization of 36. Okay, so our book has started off with the number 2. So 2 times what equals 36? That is not one of our multiplication facts, but if you think about what is half of 30, that's 15. What's half of 6? That's 3, and 15 and 3 is 18. So 2 times 18 is 36. 2 is prime, so we bring it all the way down to the bottom of our factor tree. 18 is composite. I know that 2 times 9 equals 18. 2 is prime, so I'm going to bring it down. 9 is composite. 9 can be rewritten as 3 times 3. And now here at the bottom of our factor tree, we have all prime numbers. So does 2 times 2 times 3 times 3 really equal 36? Let's find out. 2 times 2 is 4, and 3 times 3 is 9. Yeah, 4 times 9 is 36, so that really works. Let's try finding the prime factorization of 36 in a new way. This time we'll start with 3. Well, 3 times what equals 36? 3 times 1 is 3. 3 times 2 is 6. Oh, yeah, because 3 times 11 is 33. So 3 times 12 is 36. 3 is prime, so we bring it down. 12 can be thought of as 2 times 6. 2 is prime, bring it down. 6 is composite, and we can break that down further into 2 times 3. And look at that, 2 2s and 2 3s again, because 3 times 2 times 2 times 3 is 36. So we'll rewrite that down here. The prime factorization of 36 is 2 times 2 times 3 times 3. And here, 2 times 2 times 3 times 3 equals 36. Let's look at example number 2. This time we are going to find the prime factorization of 24. Okay, they've started us off with a 3 right here. So let's take a look at this. 3 times what is 24? Are you thinking about it? 3 times what? I do believe that is 8, right? Because 3 times 7 is 21, and 3 more is 3 times 8 is 24. Okay, 3 is prime. We bring it straight down. What times what equals 8? What times what? Oh, yeah, of course. 2 times 4. 2 is prime, bring it down. 4 is composite, and we'll break that into 2 times 2. Look at that. So the prime factorization of 24 is 3 times 2 times 2 times 2. 3 times 2 times 2 times 2. Is that really true? Well, 3 times 2 is 6, and 2 times 2 is 4. Oh, yeah, 6 times 4 is 24. Yes. So 2 times 2 times 2 times 3 equals 24. One more. Let's try one more. Look at this. What are the first 10 prime numbers? So numbers that are only divisible by 1 in themselves. I'll tell you what. Email me with the first 10 prime numbers, and I'll have 5 hawk feathers for you. Now, 16. 2 times what is 16? That would be 8. 2 is prime, so we bring that straight down. 2 times 4 is 8. Bring the 2 down, it's prime. 4 is composite. We could rewrite that as 2 times 2. Look at that, that's a fun one. 2 times 2 times 2 times 2. Look at that. That's the prime factorization of 8. 2 times 2 times 2 times 2. Is it true? Well, 2 times 2 is 4. 2 times 2 is 4. Yeah, 4 times 4 is 16. It works. All right, guys, you're on your own now. Try some of these on your own. If you're really struggling with your math facts, you might want to use a multiplication chart. If you need help other than that, please feel free to come see me.